this makeup look, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Primer Setting Spray to prime my face. This setting spray, primer, whatever, helps my makeup last very, very long, and it gives a very tacky base for the foundation to stick to. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120. This is my favorite foundation. You guys know that. I use it all the time, but I am getting a little bored of it. You know, I just use it like pretty much every day, so I am looking for some new foundations to try out. So if there's any foundations you guys recommend or you guys want to see me try out, please let me know down below in the comments, because I really am in the mood to try new foundations right now. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm applying that under my eyes, my chin, the center of my nose, the center of my forehead, and to prime my eyelids, and then I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender like always. Now I wanted to try out these sleek highlighter Elixir illuminating drops in the shade Poppin' Bottles, because I hadn't tried them yet and I really want to give them a try, and they are so gorgeous, you guys. They give your skin this really dewy but natural type of glow, but I end up putting translucent powder over it and it just goes away like completely. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder to set my whole face, and my damp beauty blender just to press in the powder so that the powder really sticks into the skin and helps my makeup last all day long. But if you guys do want to see those sleek highlighter drops, again, I will use them in a tutorial that is right to show off the drops, like a tutorial that showcases the drops and that they don't get covered up. Now I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the shade Pukey on a Morphe R37 brush. I'm using this as my transition shade, and I'm just working that into my crease using windshield wiper motions, and I do drag the eyeshadow out on the outer corner of my eye, so I drag it out to give it a winged out cat eye effect. I've been really loving to do this with my eyeshadow lately, so a lot of my looks lately and probably coming up have like a winged out effect. I really love it. Now I'm going in with the shade of Buns on a Morphe JH31 brush. I'm applying that in my crease but keeping it lower than the shade Pukey. I'm just using this to give my crease some dimension, and again I'm working it in my crease with windshield wiper motions, and I am dragging it out on the outer corner to give it a wing slash cat eye effect. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe R37 brush just to help blend those two shades together so that we have no harsh lines, and then going back in with the JH31 brush again to deepen up that crease. Then I am going in with the Morphe... Oh, I'm going in with translucent powder on a Morphe JH10 brush. This is just to help clean up the edge of my eyeshadow. It's practically baking my eyeshadow. That way we get a nice, clean, sharp, precise line. Now I'm going in with the shade Mink and Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm first going in with Mink, which is the darker shade, and then I'm topping Mink off with Queen, which is the more golden lighter shade, and I'm just mixing those two shades together to give my eyelids like a bronzy base. Now I'm going in with the Stila Magneficent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and I'm using the shade Kitten Karma and Smoky Storm. I'm just applying them both to my eyelids, and then I'm blending those shades out just with my finger. So I apply it to the center of my eyelid, and then I blend out to the edges with my finger so that the most intense part is the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with the shade Pukey and Buns to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with the Hazle Love lashes in the style Temptress. I love these lashes. You guys already know. I've been using them all the time. Now I'm going in with the Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics Loose Pigment in the shade Sparkling White. I believe that was the shade name. And I'm applying that as my inner corner highlight on my eyes. You can just use a shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, but I felt like using this product because I had not used it in a long time. Now I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in the shade Tan-Tastic on my little Benefit Hule brush, and you guys know this because I'm so repetitive with this, but I'm just bronzing slash contouring my face. I'm bronzing my face, but I'm doing it in like a contour motion where I like to use my bronzer in the areas that you contour pretty much. And now I'm going in with the Morphe JH02 brush to add some of that bronzer to my forehead so that we're nice and bronzed. Now I'm going in with the Morphe M437 brush, and I love using this brush to blend out my contour and any harsh lines so that everything can be nice and blended and gradient. Now I'm going in with the Morphe M506 brush and that same Marc Jacobs bronzer to contour my nose. This is so simple. I don't do anything crazy or fancy to contour my nose. I just do 2 lines down the center of my nose, connect it kind of to my eyebrows, and on the bottom of my nose I contour my nostrils and around my lip to give the appearance of a bigger lip. And then I go in with my e.l.f. concealer brush and I just blend it out until I am happy with how blended it is and how it looks. Now I'm going in with translucent powder on my beauty blender, and I'm just going to bake the areas that I contoured. I bake to clean up the bronzer and give it a very chiseled but also very clean effect. And I'm also contouring my nose, which I love. I love the look of contour. Don't you guys? Not contour, baking. Like, for some reason, baking just looks so satisfying. Now I'm going in with the MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and I'm just applying that in all the areas that I want to be glowing. And I'm also applying that highlighter on my brow bone, which I don't normally do for some reason. I don't really like to add a lot of highlighter to my brow bone, but I was really feeling it with this look. Now I'm going in with the Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush in the shade on a Morphe JH06 brush. And I love using this brush for loose blushes. I think that this brush really applies loose blushes very nicely, and this has been my go-to blush lately. I can't get enough of it. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe M437 brush to wipe away that contour and blend all the products on my face together. I am thinking of doing a video all about the brushes that I use, like the main brushes I use all the time. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Right now I'm adding some highlighter to my nose, and then my camera, I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. So I had already started going in with lip liner, but I'm using the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bar. And I really love to go in with a dark lip liner with almost no matter what lip color I do. I just really love like a dark brown lip liner. It really gives the lips a very ombre effect. Now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Venus, and I'm just applying that. And I know the lip liner looks crazy, but once the liquid lipstick is on and the lip gloss is on, everything just looks very nice. I really like the effect of a dark lip liner. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the shade Unreal. You guys, if you have not tried the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquers, you need to try them. They are so good, especially for the drugstore. They are so gorgeous. I can't get enough of them. And then to set my face, I'm going in with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and I'm just fanning myself off, and that is it. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's just a very simple glam. I think it's perfect for a night out, a date, a special occasion, or an everyday makeup look if you just want to be kind of glam. But it's very easy to do, very simple. It's really not that hard, and it looks like you put a lot of effort in because it's just so sparkly and glam. I love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Also, please leave me some of your guys' foundation recommendations or foundations you guys want to see me try, because like I said, I'm just getting a little bored of my foundation. Not that I don't love it, it's just been so long since I've tried a new foundation, so I'm just curious about other foundations that are out there, you know. I used to try a lot of foundations, and then I found this one and it was like holy grail. But you know, I want to test the waters. I want to see what else is out there. So you guys, leave me some foundation recommendations. And then also I've been thinking of doing a video all about my favorite makeup brushes, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I want to do more in-depth personal talk through videos, so yeah, things should get fun and interesting on my YouTube channel. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!